Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the G.SKILL Ripjaws DDR4. This is two 8GB sticks, DDR4-3200 8G by 2. So 16 gigs of RAM right here. Really excited for these. Here's how it comes packaged to you. Nothing special, but it's going to be pretty sweet to have these in the computer I am building. So now we'll go ahead and see if we can just kind of open this up gently and take a quick peek. Again, this comes packaged to you. You already saw that. Now here's the sticks themselves. See if we can gently take one out, maybe. Look at it. Here they are. Looks really cool. Good weight to it. I just like how it looks. I mean, it's just a sharp looking stick of RAM. So GSkill branded on it. There's all your pins and connectors below. Already saw that, I believe, through the packaging, but maybe you can see it up close. I don't know if it'll focus on it for you to be able to read it. But yeah, this is really sweet. I will go ahead. There's a little sticker you can put rep in the brand if you'd like. So I'm going to go ahead and post a link to this in my video description below so you can check these out online, see if it's the DDR4 for you and whatever you may need. So should be really happy with these. Look pretty sweet, simple packaging. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.